Atma Namaste, God's Love channel, Cheryl. So the thing is that the Hindu calendar, again I'm coming back to the Hindu calendar, is a very, very precise and a very powerful instrument that has calculated so many things. We are taking the benefits out of the Hindu calendar. People don't really know so much about the Hindu calendar. The new generation does not, but I personally feel when we already have a very powerful application called the Hindu calendar, we should always take benefit out of it, because there are so many calculations in making the Hindu calendar which has already been done. Okay, why am I talking to you right now about the Hindu calendar is that this month, now starting from the 17th or the 18th of September 2020 till I suppose 1 month, around 30 days, we are having Adhik Mas. Adhik Mas means extra month. So we have, we have calculated some bits which just remain, and then these bits of days which are extra, they are all compiled into this 1 month, which is the Adhik Mas or the extra month. Why am I discussing the extra month today? Is for you to understand whatever you do will be received, or you will receive extra results for it. If I am angry, I will receive extra results of my anger. If I am loving, I will receive extra results of my love. If I am sending out hate vibrations, I will get extra results of my hate, or more hate will come to me than usual. Okay, so for an example, if I just throw 5 balls of hatred, I will receive 10 balls of hatred, because we get multiple times. But because of this Adhik Mas or extra month according to the Hindu calendar, if I put in 5 balls of hatred towards the universe, I will get 50 balls of hatred in return. So this month is a month of caution and awareness of what you are doing with your life. And if you don't understand, if you don't want to gauge what you are doing, what you do is just send out love, 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 and more love. So I have already made a very powerful video of Pitru Seva, ancestral gratification. It means that you are going to send out a lot of blessings to the ancestors of all humanity, of all animals, and of all plants, and more. And when you send out love and blessings to the ancestors of all humanity, you will receive immense blessings in many, many folds, because it is the extra month or the Adhik Mas according to the Hindu calendar. So I personally want you all to be cautious, be clever, be intelligent enough, and start to do all your chanting all the way you want to do. You do tithing, or you donate. A best donation according to me is taking care of the strays. We don't call them strays, we call them national treasure. So we are going to take care of the national treasure. We are going to take care of the loved ones, the elderly, the younger children. Do as much good you can do this month. So be very smart and clever, and greedy also. There is nothing wrong in being greedy, but you have to do whatever it takes to send out more and more love to the universe. And the more you send love in whatever capacity, the more you receive love, and naturally your life becomes better and better and better. So this you can Google when the month starts and when the month ends, and make it a point that you always behave that way, lovingly and sending out more love. Then you will receive more and more love. So when they say it is in giving you receive, this is the meaning of in the giving you receive. So if you give out more love, you will receive more and more love. If you give out more hatred, you will receive more hatred. It is as simple as that. If you keep on complaining about some situation, the situation will give you more reasons to complain. Yeah. Atma Namaste. Thank you.